Hey everyone, welcome back to my garden. Look at what's on my hydrangea blooms. I think they're mating. Yeah, I think they're mating. So I'm going to get them and put them in some soapy water, but I just wanted to kind of show you that the bugs have arrived. Well, let's see what we have in the garden today. Today I am going to plant these caladiums. I've already dug one of my holes. There we go. Yep, all right, some water. All right, one down, 4 more to go. I'm just pulling Creeping Jenny while I'm waiting for the water to settle. Yeah. Might have to get me a stake. Stake these up just for short term so they get their roots established in the ground. Because I don't want it flopped on my other ones like that. All right, that's number 2. Cue the train. Oh, there it is. I was like, where's my shovel? All right. I'm going to go right behind the purple heuchera. It's a Dolce Wildberry. And that's where I'm going to go with this last caladium. I think it'll be pretty back here. So I have different varieties, and that's because I've saved them and then I overwinter them inside my home. All these red ones in the front and the little white ones right behind. This one right here, these little bright white ones, and all these red variety. I overwintered. I dug them up last year, each and every one, and overwintered them in it was like a shredded leaf, dry leaf, just shredded dry leaves, and some perlite, just a dry, but you could moisten it just a tad. Anyway, and they stayed all winter long in my garage. And I like these, and I'm going to pull them up at the end of the year, and I'm going to do the same thing with them. And I'm going to end up getting enough of them that I can then put them in drifts when I get more and more shade. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to build up my reserve of caladiums, and that's why I have all these different varieties. I like each and every one of them, and I will end up putting them in drifts, kind of like these red, how I did the red, because that's, after a while I got enough of these red ones that they make quite the statement. So that's what I'm starting with, these taller varieties now, because these get much taller than my red ones. My red ones only get like 10 inches. They don't get very big. So that's what I'm doing. Anyway, hope you like it. I think they look pretty, especially that one there by the purple heuchera. I think it's pretty. And that little plume flower, forget, I don't remember if that's the right name for this. But that is looking so cute. Its leaves are a little on the yellow side, but that might be because it's getting a little too much water, maybe. Not sure. I almost forgot to tell you what variety they were. So, according to the tag, let's see, this one that we planted right there, that one has a red tint to it. See if I can get in there and show you. That one there is a Strap Leaf Red, according to my container. The one in front of it, this one right here that you see, is a Strap Leaf White. Then the one that I just planted, that's a Strap Leaf Green White. And it is green and white. And then I am missing one. Let me grab the little box came in. Okay, that is the Strap Leaf Red. That's the Strap Leaf Red according to the thing. And then that one right there is the Strap Leaf Pink. And if you look at the lower ones, you can see the pink variegation in it. So those are the Strap Leaf Pink. So you have the white. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit that like button And don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified of other videos. And again, these caladiums, they need to be planted in part sun location. And mine that I planted today, the Strap Leaf variety, they will grow up to 24 inches tall, which is why I planted them behind my other caladiums that I have here that only grow about 10 inches. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy gardening, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Bonus footage. I just planted this caladium. It is a heart-to-heart lemon blush fancy caladium by Proven Winners, and I planted that in a container. Isn't it so pretty? So one more caladium. That made 5.